What's up everyone? So Samsung recently pushed a new software update for the Galaxy S21 smartphone, and a lot of you might be thinking that One UI 3.1.1 from the Galaxy Z smartphone is finally here, but sadly that's not the case. Here I have a Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I got this second update in the month of August. It is a pretty huge update, about 1066 MB in size, with same August security patch. I have attached the changelog somewhere here. You can pause the video and check it out, but it doesn't mention any major thing in it. But still we have some little features added with the help of this update to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So Samsung added bedtime mode to the clock application few months back, and now with this update we have a quick toggle present in the quick settings panel. I think it is a quite handy feature, and you can simply turn on bedtime mode by tapping on this toggle. For those of you who don't know, bedtime mode can help you to sleep in a better way by reducing the blue light that is emitted from your smartphone. Also, it makes the phone kind of boring with that grayscale color. Moving on to the next feature, Samsung has now added processing speed instead of enhanced processing in the device care menu, but for some reason I'm still seeing that old enhanced processing tab in my device care settings even with the new update. If you have got this new update, just let me know in the comments below that either you are seeing this feature or not. Also, a new icon for SIM services has been added as well. And finally, in the last, a lot of people are reporting better HDR camera processing for the ultra wide sensor. So these were the main highlights that are present with this new update. If you have not received this update, just manually check by going into settings and then in software update section. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.